Yeah, guys, we're going old school too. We got this old curve shaft working with it. That shouldn't factor in what you charge the customer. Just to let you know things go wrong. You have to be able to adapt and adjust. Now we gotta take care of this back view. You can see there's a lot going on back there. Still getting ideas on how to price these things. Let's go. All right, we're at number 2. See if we can get this one knocked out. Not too difficult, but again, take advantage of the air and opportunity that you find in customers' yards, and making sure that we're getting to the money, man. That's what it's all about. We got to get to the money. So let's go. All right, guys, we got that one knocked out. Again, just another example. This one, customer has a fenced-in area in the back that they don't have a key to. So, it's besides the backyard, but we had to get in there and actually weed eat it, go in through the house. But that's another factor. You guys got to make sure when we say we're going to cut the yard, we're checking on everything and make sure you and the customer are on the same wavelength, man. There we go. All right, y'all. See the one down the way there? We just got that one knocked out. We did this one here too. So house in between we don't have. We used to cut them, but yeah, they fired us. But yeah, that's what we got going on. Low route density. And again, guys, when you start out, it's kind of what you're gonna be looking at when you're starting out. So just be prepared, man. You gotta love this. We ain't, trying to break the bank. We ain't out here, starting off in these high dollar communities. You know what I mean? The people with disposable income. That's kind of what we're shooting for. But we got to get our practice in. We got to get right with what we got, right, and treat those customers like they're gold, because that's gonna kind of be your bread and butter when you start off, man. Don't hate on the yards. Get the yards done. Treat them like they high quality, and then the high quality customers gonna come. So let's go ahead and try to get to this fifth one, get this one knocked out. Then we can take us a little break right now, though. May get back out in about an hour and knock the last one down. Let's go.